Hello viewers, this is another episode of our class. In today's class we are looking at this radical equation. I call it radical equation because you cannot classify it as quadratic equation or neither linear equation or surd. You cannot give it a classification. It's a radical equation, so something must be done for the equation to be well identified. So let's go on. At the first stage, I will say let P. Let's P. I decide to use P. Let P be equals to what? Root what? Y. And I can also say that P square should be equals to what? Y, by taking the what? Square of both sides. So now anywhere I see P, anywhere I see root Y, I will put P, and anywhere I see Y, I will put what? P square. So by so doing, I will have what? P square minus 11P plus 24 is equals to what? 0. This became quadratic what? Equation. So you are going to factorize. What are the factors of 24? If you add them or subtract them, you have minus 11, and if you multiply them, you have what? Plus 24. Those factors of 24 is what? 3 and what? 8. Minus 3 minus 8 will give us what? Minus 11, and minus 3 times minus 8 will give us plus 24. We have what? P square minus 8P minus 3P plus 24 is equals to 0. Factorization by grouping, you have what? P into what? P minus 8 minus 3 P minus what? 8 is equals to 0. So we have what? P minus 3 is equals to 0, or P minus 8 is equals to 0. P is equals to 3, or P is equals to 8. For my expression here, we say let P square be equals to Y. So any value of P that we have to square it to get the value of what? Y. And the first thing, you have the value of P to be 3. So if we square 3, say Y is equals to what? P square. And the value of P is what? 3. So Y now is equals to what? 9. At the second instance, we have a value of P to be what? 8. So if Y is equals to what? P square, 8 square is equals to what? 64. So this is a wonderful solution to this our equation. So thank you very much, and do it to like, comment, and share.